we will talk about dependency management or dependency manager. Okay, what is dependency manager? Okay, dependency manager. I give this the short definition. Either process, it can be defined as a tool, okay, or something that managing the structure, the code, library, component, or whatever that we can call about our project. Okay, the process of automating the installation and then updating, configuration, and deleting of libraries, packages, tool that an application depend on. Okay, because the modern world of development. Okay, the modern world of development, we do not just writing everything from the ground. Okay, writing everything from the ground, start from zero. Okay, but we are depend on some kind of tool. Okay, some kind of programming, some kind of a library. Okay, as you know, Laravel, right? So one kind of a library, a framework, the combination of many library together become a framework. So we call a framework. So that's why we do not start from zero. Okay, so we will start from some kind of modern tool as a framework, such as Laravel, and then we start from there. Okay, we start from there to make. They already in the framework. They already set some kind of thing that we always doing. Okay, the connection to the database, login, username, password, database connection, something like this. They already said everything already said. So why we should start it again? Why we do not download from them that framework and then use it? This is the modern way is happening right now. So this dependency manager, okay, they use a tool that help us to downloading that library, that component, and then merging and then make that library working together. There is the main point, the main objective of the dependency manager. Dependency manager is we can say that a tool, okay, one kind of tool or technology. Right now become a technology that if you want to be a modern developer, okay, you must know about this thing because all library and all code is depend on this. Why we need to use this one? As by normal we download the code right from the internet. Okay, for example, kind of any library you download to your computer, and then you unzip it, and then you put on, you copy and paste to the project that you are working with, right? This is the old way. So this is the problem is difficult to if that library is a release new version. Okay, if that library is what we call got new error or bug, so they do not notifying you. Okay, even though there is no we can say that version, you do not know how to detect the version and then you want to upgrade. Okay, you want to configuration. Okay, you do configuration difficult. You do one by one of library, so it's better to use with dependency manager. Okay, dependency manager is the kind of downloading tool. Okay, download the tool and then plus with the configuration. Okay, configuration. It will do by one single line. You no need to. You can use dependency manager to download any package on the internet. Okay, any package on the internet, and then you can configuring according to your need. Okay, this is a dependency manager. Okay, if you look at if you compare all languages, okay, all languages, we can say that available on this earth. And there is the famous one that I list, okay, dependency manager for them. For example, PHP, they have a composer, okay. If you want to download about the PHP component, PHP library, whatever kind of PHP library, you have to use composer. Okay, if you want to work with Java, okay, you have to learn about how to use Maven. Okay, how to use Maven. If you want to learn about Python, okay, you have to learn about pip, okay, pip, we call pip, okay. Then you can download any library that related to Python, okay. Especially a person who working with the data science, okay. They have to learn about how to use pip. They have to install any library from the internet, okay, and then they can use the library. So we are pip, okay. If you are JavaScript developer, you know how to use npm, I think, okay, especially Node.js, JavaScript as Vue.js or React. Everything is depend on npm, okay. Node package management, we call node package management. So as I say, we are this application. We are this application dependency management. You can manage your package, okay, not by manual but by automatically. It will, when you download some kind, it will set the version, and then when you try download again, it will say that, hey, there is this package available on your project already. So you no need to add more, okay. If you add more, mean that your project will duplicate that library, right? So it's not good for, that is not good for the project, because when you duplicate some kind of library in your project, it will be more space, and then it will be what we call duplicate, you see, duplicate, redundance, okay, redundance of any library in your computer, okay. Another advanced technology we call Webpack, okay. You are web developer, especially you are developer, you want to you have many file, and then especially for JS, okay, JavaScript.js or .png or whatever .css, and then when you want to release, when you want to make it available, or we call to be your application, you have to have something to managing it, okay. Because right now one project do not develop by one single person, but they are developed by many, okay, by 2, by 3, by 10, by 1,000, okay. So they have to have some kind of application that you have to more JS file. So you want to make one single JS file, okay. But by normal, what you have to do, you have to open 2 files, right, and then copy and pass to be 1 file. This is will make you more difficult life. So there should be some application that combine it automatically for you, and then they check the duplication and there's something that wrong or error inside the code. That is we can use a Webpack, one of that technology. Okay. As I say, a composer, this one, okay. PHP composer, I say. You learn about Java, move to Maven, okay. You learn about Python, pip. You learn about JavaScript, npm, okay. Right now we're talking about PHP, okay, PHP. The PHP, you can see this one. They say the composer is a tool for dependency management in PHP. It allows you to declare the libraries your project depend on, and it will manage install update then from for you, okay, for you. So this is the definition given by the composer, okay. It's just a library, okay. It's just a tool, okay, just a tool to make your life more easier, okay. You will feel it will make your life more what we call satisfied, and then you will enjoy to be a developer if you know it. But if you don't know it, you will feel like something what we call something boring, something difficult, something that I don't want to use it, something like that. So but try to push yourself to learn something new, and then you will find that, wow, there are something amazing over there. Why I do not know it before? Okay. Okay. What you have to do, okay, you have to download, okay, and then install, okay, download and install. You can go this one, go to this this file, okay, this link, and then there is what we call code. You can run direct to your CMD, okay, you can run direct to CMD, okay, and then you can copy from the slides, okay, you can run it, okay. What it will look like? It will look like this, okay, when you run, okay. When you copy the code, it will look like this, and then it will tell you that all set up correct using composer, okay. All set up correct using composer, something like this, and then you can use the composer, okay. Set this thing composer to be global. Okay, should be global, because when you download, you will download this one. It's only one file, composer.par. Okay, so composer.par. So you have to do moving the file. Okay, this file to be in global. Okay. After you make it available via what we call global, mean that you can use anywhere in your terminal. Okay, in your terminal, and then you can call composer. Okay, and then it will run the command. The thing will look like this. Okay, when you try to run composer dash v. Okay, I run the composer dash capital V, and then it will return you the version of composer, and then you can use the composer. Okay. Okay. After you download the composer, install the composer, make it global, available anywhere on your terminal. This command you can run if you want to install some kind of application. You run this one, the composer require, and then followed by the package name. This is a package name. This is a composer. This is the command that you use to require, delete, update, upgrade, or some things we use. Okay, composer require this one. I require this package. Okay, from the internet. Okay, package internet, and then it will download for me and install to mine. This is we call PHP package skeleton. Okay, you want to run any PHP project, so this is will be the good one for you to structure your folder. Okay, to structure your folder. Okay, but you want to move a little bit more high level, so you should use a composer. Okay, to download the package. Okay, to download the package from the Bootstrap, and then you can use it. Otherwise, it will be difficult to upgrade from version 3 to version 4, and then new version that is will release now is version 5. You don't know which part they are changing. Okay, which part of the Bootstrap they are changing. So if you want to upgrade, you have to upgrade. If you download by manual, if you upgrade, it will be some kind of error. Okay, you don't know what syntax should be upgrade. If you use composer, it will help you a lot. Okay, it will help you a lot. Okay, Laravel plus dependency also they have their own. They use a composer. Main thing is they are using composer. Okay, behind the scene of working, they are using they are rely much on composer. Okay, Laravel and dependency. You can check the link here. Okay, if you want to install or you create application. Okay, you want to create an application by using Laravel or any framework on this earth. I can say that any framework, PHP framework on this earth, okay, that available. What we call Laravel, Symfony, Slim, what we call another, what we call Casual, okay, or whatever Yi or something else that you may know. They are depend on composer. Okay, they are all depend on the composer. That's why I recommended you to learn about dependency management, especially for PHP. They are using composer. This is the 3 line of code, 3 line of command that you use to install what we call Laravel. Okay, please install and then run the Laravel in 3 single line of command. Okay, you can check the manual, the fully what we call tutorial or document. I will attach the slide already.